stacking jobs here. We've got a Rotel 230 in my Toshiba T1910 computer, which doesn't seem to be reading any discs. So that can carry on rumbling. Right, we've got this Rotel RVC230 for trucking and farming, and it's absolutely splendid. 0.195 microvolt sensitivity. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that. We're not going to do we're not going to do an extension speaker because I've stacked my laptop on top of it.
I see. Right. Okay. I'll forget then.
Roger Dodger. Floppy disk ready to do my backup.
Right. We're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and we don't have a tone control. Yes, we do. We have a tone control.
Right. I see. Right. We're
Bass here, treble here, bass here, treble here.
As we head up towards the end of the line.
Roger on that. All fab and brill.
Roger. Coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station 159.9 and 183.9.
Roger on that.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On a Rotel RVC230, it's Cybernet 134 set, that shall be set to 1981, on standard replay.
Roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, you're going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
The Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Rotel RVC230, doing full 4-watt output, and we're going to go to low power. So expect 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we are back on full power. Over.
Yep, no problems on full power. It is noisy though. Low power, I could tell you were there, but it's very difficult to hear what you were saying.
Roger, that's how it's going to be till winter. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger. From Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Yeah, 159.9 and 189.7.
Roger, that was 3, thanks so much.
Roger. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rotel level crossing. We got a special price for me at that end today, please, over.
Yeah, 159.9 and 189.7.
Roger on that, works a treat, thanks very much.
Roger.
10-10. Excellent, right, we'll go over to our base station, which uses the same chassis, and see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900.
Tango 21, testing Rotel RVC230 to our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, put it on low power home test. There we are on low power, go back to full power, there we are back on full power. Next step will be an emergency radio of some description, and then we've got a Rotel 240. So thanks for watching the Rotel RVC230 from 9.